Hi everyone, it's Thursday, May 29, 2025. It's 6:37 a.m. Japan time. Let's look back at the yesterday market. The Nikkei closed at 3772 yen, just slightly down from the previous days, and 3774 yen. Basically no change. Overnight it went up to around 38000 yen and opened high during the day, but slowly dropped and ended flat. The volatility index fell slightly to 23.2. The PER is also steady at 15.56. So overall, no much change. Price movement was sharp overnight, but fade during the day. I said yesterday it felt like a short-term boost from something like Roxanine, um, a reference to a temporary painkiller in Japan, and that's exactly how it played out. As for today, it's uncertain. The yen continues to weaken slightly. It looks like it's heading for another round of depreciation, and through we'll see. In the US, the S&P fell a little, ending at 5889 points, down 0.56%. The VIX rose to 19.31 from 18.96, so slightly more fear in the market. The memory index, which tracked bond market volatility, dropped to 93, a level we haven't seen in a while. Months ago and 2 months ago, it was also low, around 91, just before Trump tariff announcement. So this is back to pre-tariff levels. But interest rates remain highly, sitting around 4.97%. Bitcoin also dropped slightly. I feel like it hitting a ceiling and could enter the correction. Gold was recovering recently, but now also seems to be pursuing. Both see safe haven assets, but both seems to be losing momentum, which might suggest a bigger correction is near. Both markets are calming down a bit, but the yields are still high. Stocks have rebounded, but now investors were wondering where to from here. Which is rates staying high. I think the acceptable PER for equities is falling. Also, EPS momentum is still weakening, so compared to last year, I think an investor can justify a lower PER. And that's make it harder to keep buying stocks at this point. Looking at all assets class, I honestly wonder, is there anything left that's worth buying now? As for today's event, there's a Bitcoin forum happening in Las Vegas. It reminded me of the real estate studio forum showing The Big Short, where Jared Bennett told McBown, "Let me show you how crazy the money really is." So kind of similar beat. Also, NVIDIA earnings came out. The stock moved up a bit, but it was overshadowed by Trump announcement banning sales of semiconductors to China. That feels like a bigger deal. That kind of is more aggressive than just tariffs. It's like saying you cannot sell to China anymore. That's likely to really upset China. It makes me feel like the US-China trade war might return. We also got the FOMC minutes, but recently these have had little impact. Same this time, not much market reaction. So overall, the market seems to take a standstill. In short, I still feel the same across our assets. It's hard to find something worth buying right now. That's it for today. If you like this update, please follow me like you buy a long boot. See you tomorrow.